So what's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix direct messages DMs option not showing on your TikTok. Both TikTok and its creator have already faced plenty of issues last year, and it's very frustrating for most of the TikTok stars as they are generating revenue. Meanwhile, plenty of users are encountering TikTok direct messages DMs option not showing issue. If you are one of them, so don't worry. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to update TikTok app. It seems that maybe you haven't updated your TikTok mobile app for a while, and that's why the messaging feature doesn't work properly. It can also possible that the previous TikTok app version has some problems with the direct messaging option and you are still using the same version. So go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for TikTok. Search here TikTok. Sorry. And see if there is update or not. If there is an update, simply just hit the update. After updating your TikTok to the latest version, you are still facing the same issue. Then you have to follow TikToker to send messages. So if you haven't followed someone on TikTok using your account and yet you want to directly send a private message to that profile, that won't gonna possible officially. That means you will need to follow the TikTok account first with whom you want to send a direct message. Then verify your mobile number. It's really necessary to verify your mobile number on your TikTok account if in case you are unable to send private messages to someone else or the direct messages option isn't available for you. Then our solution number 4 is restart your iPhone or your Android device. For restarting your device, simply tap on your settings, then scroll down and tap on your general, again scroll down, tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue of TikTok, then you have to delete your TikTok and then reinstall it and see if this issue solved or not. If it's solved, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.